Hey guys, welcome to my channel Gadget Driver. In this video, I will show you how to use snipping tool for taking screenshots. So, let's get started. This tool is available on Windows System 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. So, how do you find this tool? To open this function, click on Start and type Snip tool. Okay. Now that the tool has been opened, you can use this functionality to capture your screen. You can open this using the search option, using the search option, and once you use this tool, this will definitely appear over here somewhere, or you can just pin it to taskbar. I will show you the functionality of snipping tool. But first you have to select the area of the screen which you want to take screenshot. Okay, so I want to take screenshot of a YouTube page. This is a web page, a Google page. So what I will do is I will click on the tool and select new. In this new we have 3 options: freeform, snip, rectangular, window and full screen. I'm using rectangular snip and I recommend everyone to select this option only, and just click on the area which you want to select. Just drag. Okay, just drag. I just want this much, okay, fine. So this thing's got captured. Oh good. Now just don't cancel it. Don't do that. Before this you have to click on file and save it for your reference. So I will save it with the name demo1 on the desktop itself. Just remember the file location where you're saving it. And yeah, the main important part is this tool saves the output in form of image. So you can see this is an image form. Okay, also one important thing, you can just the save options are there in various different image format. You can save it in JPEG, PNG, GIF format as well. So this was all about the snipping tool. This is how you can take multiple screenshots of your important data. Thank you guys for watching. For more tech videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.